knowledge.
Okay, then that means Gordon. You want the Trojan? So, go. Move up. Move up. Give it up. Move up. Merry Christmas.
Right here, good guys. I got a whole list.
All right, so where are they? Right beyond the wall. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna hit over there, like just right on the other side of the wall. Two of them. All right, you, right there on that wall. Go. Easy now. Easy. All right. Now keep moving. You keep moving. Okay, all right, we got one. I think the medic is right there. He's right there. He's hiding behind the barrel.
Tell everybody.
Huh?
Cover you? Oh, no. Hey, Nick, I just floated on swing.
Oh, you
just got shot in the ass.
Yeah, I know.
You alright, bud?
Are you okay?
Hey, yo, you go to Brick Memorial? Yeah. You go to Brick Memorial? No? You play football there? I graduated from there 2 years ago.
Hey, see nobody comes from behind. Let's go.
Come on, move up, Betty. Where are we going?
Just going to that.
Hold on. There's the guy right there. Go. Okay. All right, here. You think we can make it into that room? All right, let's keep moving. Oh, God, I got caught in now. Oh, man. Hold on. Okay, come on. Don't go. There's a guy
Right in the window. Yo, get him to toss that trash can over here. Yo, grab the metal can over there. Slide it over here.
Oh, run over here. Get over here. Go.
Stay in the wall. Don't go.
Yeah.
Is he out there still? Is your guy still there? Yeah.
If you see him, go. Gotta get some hits on him for me.
Action.
Friendly? Hey, what team are you on? Come on. All right, here we go. We're moving. Watch out. All right, ready? All right. All right, stay here. Pick him up. Run. Right here. Medic, run. Come on, run. pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. What's going on? Is he down? I have no way I'm gonna drag him, but that's right over there. He's down over there. Drag him out of the way. Alright.
Tactical reload!
Come, what the?
Reload! Tactical! It's tactical! I'm using advanced tactics!
Alright, here we go.
These are advanced tactics that I'm using!
Dude, they're so fast. Keep moving, keep moving.
I'm going for the zone.
Go get him, go get him, go get him. Yo, here, you. What's up, something? Right here, right there in the window, right there in the window. You see the crack over there? They're right in the doorway. Get them. They can't hit you, but you can hit them. Stay right here. They can't hit you at all. Oh, shit. There's a knock. Oh, that's good. Top notch reloading. Come on, move up. No, the medic is all the way back there. Because he doesn't want to get out. We can just drag him. Drag him, drag him. Someone drag him.
I'll take him. I don't have a gun.
Yeah, you take him. You take him. We'll cover him. All right, get yourself out of here.
Advanced tactics!
Yo, I'm not gonna do that. Fuck that. Any of you guys out? Are you out?
I'm down, yeah.
Where you going?
That area's
Back to the medic.
This guy's
Back
right
to-
over there.
He's right over there? Alright, then I'm not even gonna bother dragging you.
Yeah, we're fucking in here too.
Alright, right there in the vault. This guy. Right in the vent. They're hiding right in the vent. I got him.
We need to get him out here.
Alright, here. Drag him. Yeah, just drag him. You up? No? Okay. Or did you get hit? Alright then. Yep. Yeah, they're hiding in the vault over there. Oh no, this is perfect right here. Go. Bang. I got both of you. No, you got him.
Bang!
No, you guys stay down until the medic comes here.
We got to like 6 feet 9.
Oh, friendly! Just pop a squat and just wait. Come on, kid.
How many guys got that hallway?
I think like 2. No, just right in the hallway. He's like right next to him. You want to rush him? Oh, hold on. No. Right, like. All right, here. This is what we're gonna do. So just chill. Chill. Up. Man, touch, man. Call your head. Jump closer. All right.
Call it!
Call it.
Call it!
Yeah, oh, I got him right in the head.
Call it!
I hit.
Alright, we gotta get.
Well, I'm out, so I'm down here. Oh, it's over. Game's over. Game's over. Game's over. No, game's over. Game's over. Game's over.
Over!
Game's over. It's over, guys. Game's over. The game's over.